What did we just see? Well, I didn't see anything because I didn't watch the game, fam. So let's go. Manchester United got raped by Man City over the weekend. And to be honest, with you, I didn't see it. I was glad I didn't want to watch it. I didn't watch it. I saw it the game, when my game ended, saw the notification on my phone that Rashford score. And I said to my friends, all right, cool. Rashford score one. Man City are going to score six. I didn't watch the game, didn't want to watch the game. So we're not going to review the game at all. I don't want to talk about Manchester United or Manchester City at this point. But this video is about Manchester United. So so yeah, people, make sure to drop a like on the video. Please subscribe right down there for brand new. Referee, blow the whistle. Let's go. Alright, today will be part 2 of another series we like to call Bring Them Come. And that is, which players will we like to see brought to Manchester United next season? And today we'll be focused on the left back position. Left back. Fucking left back. Listen, Malacia injured. Malacia injured for the whole friggin' season. Malacia will be injured for the rest of the season. How? I don't know. I just know Malacia last year was partying up with Rashford. Do you remember one time Rashford have a big girl, you know, the come and the girl, come and be girl? Yeah. And I tell her, I saw she shape. Malacia come back from training, from partying with Rashford, injured. Injured for the whole season, it looks like. And then we start out the season with Rashford, with Luke Shaw. Him got injured for 3 months. Then he got injured again just a while ago. So he's not gonna play again for the rest of the season. We need a left back. We need 2 left backs. So here are my thoughts on what Manchester United should do in terms of bringing a new left back or 2 left back into the team. First one, Grimaldo. Grimaldo. That man is sick. He's a left wing back. Plays for Bayern Leverkusen. Mike, I know it sounds like me I try to be lower like Bayern Leverkusen team over to Manchester United, but shit, this man is good. He's a left wing back, and he has a cross on him for days. He has a strike, and he has goals galore from anywhere upon the top of the box, in the box. He has goals galore. We can do 1 or 2 goals from our left backs. We can lose 1 or 2 goals from everyone on our team. So yeah, bring Grimaldo into the team right now. Crosses, corners, anywhere you can put them on your forehead. Listen, Grimaldo, bring the blood clot man on the team right now, blood. Bring him right, bumbo clot now. Because right now, Malacia, him days done. Him can just go on. Shaw, play for 10 years at Manchester United. Hasn't done anything of note other than a couple player of the year. I don't know. I think it's not time for Shaw to go just yet. Give him a couple more years. But he needs to be playing for Manchester United and guiding Grimaldo and the other guy that I'm going to tell you in a second, because these are I run out. I mean, you play for Manchester United for 10 years, and I can't tell you a memorable moment for Shaw. But I can tell you a memorable moment for England when he plays for England. I can't tell you a memorable moment for Shaw in Manchester United. So it is what it is. And the next person that I would love to see Manchester United bring back. You know what I'm say? Bring back. Because Manchester United have this left back in the team when buying from Bumbuckley, Atletico, and Real Madrid. One of them 4 or 5 years ago. Alvaro Fernandez, fam. Bring him back into the team. They loaned him out last year to Preston North End, and he was player of the season for Preston North End. And this year, it's all right. Low him out to Alaves, no, Granada last year. He didn't play as much. He did not play as much. I'm thinking, all right, bring him back into the team. We're losing a left back in Regulan. He's going back to Tottenham, and then And we don't have Malacia, which I thought Malacia was going to be in the team by December. He's not. He's not going to be in the team for the season. I know Luke Shaw is injured. We have Lindelof. I play left back. You have Lindelof. I play left back. Remember that. We have Amrabat. I play left back. Slow ass Amrabat. I play left back. Amrabat, you did bring Alvaro Fernandez back. Manchester United. Bring him back. There's a reason why Benfica want him so much. He's challenging for the title in Spain, in Portugal right now. He's not playing every game, but he is playing. And when he does play, he's having an effect. Bring him back to the team. I don't care how much agreement they have with Benfica. I don't care how much it costs to bring him back. I don't care if you have an agreement to sell him for 5 to 10 mil. Bring him back to the team right now. If we can have Shaw, Grimaldo, and Alvaro Fernandez, we can cover our left side. Because we're building something in Manchester United. We're not trying to buy a team right now. We're building something. In 3-4 years, he'll be the starting right back, left back. I can tell you that. Bring Alvaro Fernandez back. Yeah? All right, cool. People, thank you so much for watching. This has been the Fourth Official. My name is Rome. Remember, drop a like on the video. Subscribe for brand new. Bless yourself. Bless up others. Manaz.